Hey guys, it's Tempting Mars, and today we are unboxing and reviewing Coach's Coachtopia Wavy Baguette Shoulder Bag in the color Cloud. I believe it goes for around 180 Canadian, but I will say that I did get it on an auction, hence why the bag is more crinkly, but it is confirmed to be the real Coach bag. Let's unbox it. I have unboxed mainly classic or vintage Coach bags / backpacks. So this is definitely something new for me because Coachtopia is supposed to be a way to distance themselves away from that classic look and more into a modern and chic vibe. So first impressions, this bag is very, very thin. I can definitely see that chic vibe, that kind of futuristic vibe in a way of the kind of imperfect wave here. I think it's imperfect. It kind of looks imperfect. The leather is a pebbled leather, which has a nice feel to it. And it is squishy. The strap is probably one of the thinnest straps I've ever seen Coach have, but it still seems somehow very sturdy. I'm actually pulling it, trying to pull it apart. Okay, so it's saying this product has a unique digital passport. To access it, find the connected cloud emblem. Oh, wow. Okay, so you click this. Wow, so it does pop up. So obviously it's not connected right now because I have not signed in for this. And it says made with at least 50% recycled fibers from leather scraps. And here are some of these services it says it has for circular services because it's meant to be switched around. So it says they partnered with Poshmark to make it easy to resell this Coachtopia product. Just click resell below and you'll be able to list it instantly. Wow. We love that Coachtopia is into regifting. That's really important, I believe. Trade in, wow. That's really cool. To be completely honest, in terms of what this brand stands for, the Coachtopia side of Coach, that is really cool. You have this cute handle, which I love the colors on it. Obviously the Coach handle. Let's open it up, y'all. Oh wow, okay, so inside it has a suede fuzzy type feeling, and I assume that's with the recycled fibers that they use. There's not much space. You could probably fit a thick wallet in there, a nice thick wallet, but other than that, you're probably not gonna get much space out of it, to be completely honest. Still not awful though, not completely awful. There are some card pouches there. There's actually a few, which is much more than the pumpkin bag, surprisingly. It's cute. This is the easiest zipper I've ever had on a Coach bag. Like, that is so effortless. So here, let's look at product details. So the lining is Coachtopia leather, which is made with at least 50% recycled fibers from leather scraps. As I've said before, the handtake is 70% acrylic plastic. There is a top zip closure and 3 card slots. There is a detachable strap. I didn't even realize this was detachable. Wow. Okay. So I guess if you wanted it as a handbag, it could work. And then you could also use some of the other attachable straps and put it on there for more style. So from my understanding, it's a bag that's meant to be reused. It's meant to be customizable so that you only really need one bag. So the editor's notes say, glam on the go. The Wavy Shoulder Bag is a sleek shoulder bag that fits under your arm. Complete with a wavy bottom edge, it comes with a short strap, zip top closure, interior card slots, and dog leash clips. So you can remove the strap to wear as a wristlet or switch straps to wear as a crossbody. Oh wow. This version is crafted in pebbled Coachtopia leather, made with at least 50% recycled leather fibers from scraps. I'm sorry, I've said that 3 times, but that is in the editor's notes. So it says that the shoulder bag has 4.8 stars with 10 reviews. I'm not seeing any written reviews. So unfortunately, unlike my other videos, I am not putting in any written reviews because no one has done them. I'm always transparent with you guys. I have a black sweater on so you can see this bag clearly. This does just fit at the shoulder. This is actually probably the most perfect match of a shoulder bag I've ever worn, to be honest. Very cute, very thin. This is so light. I think this is one of the lightest Coach bags I've ever felt. For me with Coach, this is actually unlike anything I've ever reviewed for them. So this is really crazy to me. It doesn't even feel like Coach, you know? And that's not a bad thing, but it just, you know, it feels different. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want more reviews, let me know. And also check out some of my other coach reviews. Bye!